I'm going to share with you the number one chart that keeps me up at night. I'm going to show you a chart that's totally disturbing to me. So even though there's a defense perhaps going on, or the 200-day moving average yesterday, I am decidedly in the bear camp. You know I'm carrying puts. You know I'm carrying some short positions, even though I pared them back a little bit on that run yesterday. I'm looking to put them back out at the same size. And I'm going to show you one chart that crystallizes my thought and my reason. Okay. The utility index is now giving up the ghost. XLU was trying to hold on. And I talked to you about that the other day. I said, look at this thing's rallying. Bang, bang, bang. Okay, right in here, as utilities gapped back below the 50-day, I came on here and I shared with you guys, I'm selling all my utilities out of my dividend portfolio. That's it. That's it. I had 3 dividend stocks in the portfolio utility. I said, that's it. That doesn't look right. And treasuries are imploding. So I can't imagine that utilities are going to go up with long treasury bonds imploding. And that's exactly what's happened now. Utilities have collapsed. You know, another way to look at that is right in here. Thank you, Liz Ann Saunders. Okay, so utility index, Dow Jones Utility Index, breaking down, totally wiping out the gains, going all the way back to what was it, 2011, I think. No, not 2011. October 2022 lows. Just wiped out all the gains. No. Since March 2021, we've wiped out all the gains. And I would submit to you that utilities are a leading indicator for the overall S&P. So utilities are now taking out the low of October last year. Where do you think equally weighted S&P is headed? These are the lows of last year. There's a lot of downside left in the equity market.